What's up guys, it's Gabe from GV Aspirated. So I recently had a little hiccup with my 2010 Camaro SS. You may or may not have seen it on my story on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, go ahead and do so you guys can see some real-time updates and just some funny posts and things that I post on Instagram, and you guys can just, you know, support the channel. So I decided to make a vlog out of this experience, and there you go.
NANI?!
The one I had, the tire was a little bit outside, so I didn't have to go inside the tire, you know?
Hey man, let me wait until it leaves.
We just got the car mounted up on the tow truck. It's quite a shame. So I didn't actually vlog what was going on inside of the car because I was kind of upset. And it's a really hot day today. I mean, what is it, like 96 degrees outside? We're just gonna follow it back home and then wait until my good friend Mauricio does an educated guess, because he's very inclined to that. He's a Cadillac mechanic too, so. I honestly have no idea what it could be. I hope it's not a timing chain problem, because the car was having some rough idles. I really don't know what it could be. Like, it went on limp mode. I don't know. I checked all the spark plugs. I checked the intake, because sometimes the intake gets out of place. So I don't know, maybe that, but I got nothing.
How much would an engine be?
Maybe like $4 grand.
The chain's breaking again.
What's funny is that he pulled up to the scene and then he saw my lip, the Z28 style lip, and he's like, "That's not covered. That's not covered. I can't do it. I can't do it." And I was like, "Are you kidding me? It's not even like carbon fiber. It's like inexpensive." I said, "Listen, man, if it bends, whatever, we gotta take it. I'm not gonna leave it here." And so then the guy is like, "You know what? I'm not gonna leave you out here stranded." Like,
Wow,
you know,
what a nice guy, huh?
what a hero.
We got that 6-cylinder, 200 and maybe 40 horsepower. Yeah. I do gotta say though, even though she's kind of useless right now, she does look really good.
And I'm really hoping it's not anything super expensive. Gonna be fun. Hopefully the lip doesn't get screwed up.
So the car is back on the ground. Everything's looking good. Perfect. Awesome job. Vice towing. I even gave him a piece of the wood.
I feel like we're like in an old barter system, you know? "Oh, you towed me, here's some wood." We'll come right back to when my friend comes and visit the car and gives us a little guesstimate.
So here's Mauricio, the specialist.
I just came from work, so how's it going?
Good, bro, good. Thank you so much. So, oh, by the way, that's his 5.0 Genesis that
To Mustang.
Yeah, it's Mustang swap, Coyote swap.
Right, Coyote swap.
Should we review it though?
Yeah, no, we'll do that soon.
All right, guys. So the moment of truth.
Let's see. Okay, it's running fine.
Are you? No, dude. No. Yo, listen.
Yeah, it's not idling right. Could be. It has nothing to do with timing. Because if your timing was bad,
You
it would be running.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. So that's good, I think.
I think you might have a vacuum leak, or Could be a fuel issue. Definitely air and fuel related.
My friend's wicked smart.
You have 10 codes. Let's take a look. System Mac too rich, too much fuel going in there. System Mac 2, too much fuel going in there. Which leads me to believe it's not a fuel problem because both sides can't be bad. And just as I suspected, as I keep scrolling, throttle position performance. Here's another one for it. Again, bank 1 is ratios imbalance. More throttle codes. More throttle codes. Another for air fuel ratio imbalance. More throttle codes. Throttle codes. My diagnosis. Oh, this gotta be new. So your throttle position sensor is right here.
Right.
This could be bad. The little motor right here.
Okay.
That basically tells how much air is coming into the engine. Basically. Also, your idle, that tells your car. It cracks it open to let the car idle. You get me? Older cars had a separate valve, but now all the newer cars, the computer tells the throttle position sensor just crack it open to let the car idle. Right now,
It's like
it's like intermittent. It might not even. It could be if it's fully closed.
yeah, you're not gonna
die.
Yeah, yeah.
I would look into the throttle position sensor and the whole actuator assembly.
All right, so now we're gonna disassemble my entire intake system to get a look inside the throttle assembly.
Oh, okay. I could have just done that, but whatever.
So I think I'm able to like breathe a little bit more. That it's not a timing chain problem.
So it says bank 1 and bank 2, so that just means it's the entire engine. Like if it's singled out, some cylinders, like or even just bank 1, for example.
Yeah, we can pinpoint it too.
Then I could have pinpointed like where does everything originate? Right here. This is where you're getting your air.
I think it's because I got a cheap intake. That's why.
Spectre.
AutoZone life.
Right.
For 100,000 miles, it's not terrible. I mean,
At least it's not falling apart. We're gonna look into probably ordering one of these. If it still persists, then we do a vacuum test. I don't think it'll persist after this is replaced because I'm pretty sure there's no vacuum leaks. If your car stalls because of a vacuum leak, you're gonna hear it. It's gonna sound like a hiss noise. Okay, so I disconnected the thing from the sensor, the connection.
okay.
I'm gonna turn the car on. Technically, if it's not working, it's gonna react the same way.
Okay.
You get me? If something drastically else changes, then it's partially working, and let's
There's
see
something else.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm cam now.
Basically, what happened there is it's disconnected, and it has now no information as to how much fuel it should put in, and so it's just like going crazy again.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, it's not getting the right throttle inputs.
That's a huge relief for me. That's something that is workable, not too expensive to repair. I will give you guys an update on that. Thank you so much, bro. Honestly, as always.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
So guys, comment, let me know what you guys think. If you have different opinions, subscribe, let's get to 2K, and like the video so other people can see my misfortunes
Right.
and his genius at work. All right, I think everybody wants to hear how it sounds.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on, a little exhaust. That is a coyote swapped. All right, guys, take it easy.